In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Shogun landing page to Shopify. This is a straightforward process and can be completed in just a few minutes, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your custom designs into your Shopify store. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Navigate to their official website, and once you're there, log into your account. If you're already logged in, you're a step ahead, and we can dive straight into the next stage. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Apps section located in the Shopify dashboard. This is where all your integrated apps live, making it an essential hub for customizing your store. If Shogun is already installed in your apps, you can simply select it from here. If not, don't worry. Head over to the Shopify App Store and look up the Shogun Landing Page Builder, a powerful tool designed for creating beautiful custom landing pages. Go ahead and install it to proceed. Once you're in the Shogun dashboard, you'll notice the option to Create Page. Select this to begin crafting your new page. When prompted, choose the type of page you'd like to create. This may be a standard page, a product page, or one tailored for other purposes like collections. The flexibility here is fantastic as it caters to various business needs. Next, you'll be asked to select whether you want to utilize an existing template or start with a custom layout. Shogun offers templates for home pages, blog posts, and landing pages, so decide based on what suits your vision best. After selecting your preferred option, it's time to name your page. This is important for organization in your Shogun dashboard and helps with tracking performance later on. Once you've entered a suitable name, click on Select to move forward. Now, here's where the fun really begins. Using Shogun's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can add and modify elements on your page. This allows you to incorporate images, text blocks, product displays, and more. As you customize your page, remember to tailor styles, colors, and layouts to align with your brand's identity. This helps in maintaining consistency across your website, which is crucial for brand recognition and aesthetic appeal. Once you've perfected your design, don't forget to save your work. This is important not only for safeguarding your progress, but also to ensure that all your creative efforts are preserved. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, click the Publish button. By doing this, you make your newly designed page live, directly on your Shopify store for your customers to see. And just like that, you've connected a Shogun landing page to Shopify. I hope this guide helps you enhance your store's visual and functional appeal with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!